Hello friends, water in the gas tank. Scenes in winter. In winter, the easiest way to determine the water has entered the gas tank is to guide by the fact that the engine does not start. This happens due to the fact that moisture freezing in the pipelines driving from their throughput. Consequently, the fuel stops moving through the systems and the engine cannot work. In this case, the question arises not about how to remove water from the gas tank of the car, but how to start the engine. To do this, just put the car in the heated garage and the ice itself will melt. But this is not always possible, and therefore it is possible to fast the pipeline to heat up. To do this, turn off the fuel supply and turn the starter until gasoline flow from the pipeline. This will be enough to start the engine and start operating the car. But don't forget that it's still necessary to expel water from the gas tank because the ice barrier in the fuel system's pipeline will repair every time the car cools down. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.